my father inside of the house and I have no idea we're leaving tomorrow. We're going to America and first time on a plane. I'll vlog everything. Yeah, come up with me tomorrow.
Come up with them. Yeah, man. Sit down.
Outside!
Outside!
Welcome to another video. It's your boy One Dan. Before me get into a video, guys, I just want to apologize to every single person who miss us. You see me? We just have a lot of stuff going and we're only human being, but that not say we still figure you know update. But here's the update. I'm currently in Jamaica for the past week and a half or so. We have a lot of stuff going. We have a lot of video to do. I think we're gonna break YouTube, if you know what I mean. A lot of stuff are going, but we just have to do video after video after video. So guess what? Let me tell you the life update. We've been missing for over a month. A lot of people see me in Jamaica and they say, "One Dad, we're only in there over a month now." We just have a lot of things that go on, guys. Mentally sometimes and physically sometimes we're just overworked. You see me? But to not see the title of the video, guys, I'm gonna go on a quick rundown of something. I'm leaving to America tomorrow and my dad is coming with me and my father don't have a clue say I come a foreign tomorrow. Father never go a foreign before, only see foreign in a book and TV and whatever. Before me get into everything, let me tell you what I go on. When my father was a child, he wasn't registered. Means my father never have a passport, never have a license, never have nothing. Till maybe last year, late last year to this year, my father have rider's license, insurance, registered bike, have a passport, TRN, birth certificate, you name it, NIS, you name it, my father have everything. Thanks to my dedicated family. You see me talk about my mother, my sister and me. We're very dedicated and we jump on it, and no matter what. It didn't take we a long time, because first we have to do a deep search, and deep search now come up, then we have to go through one little man when they say have link, and then a man there was a dead end tell me get mad and say, yo, you go do this yourself, because I'm not in Jamaica, so you go a town wherever the office there, you find a ray and you keep going back and explain the situation, then bam, my father register, getting birth certificate them. My father is good, and it's only right for my father to get through because my father is a good person. I don't care when nobody say we're great people, you see me, and that's why we're blessed. So, narrow down when they getting birth certificate, I send money, and I say, yeah, a passport. We need a passport now. No, I think me and my sister, big up yourself, Marsha, and deal with that. Boom, bang. My sister bring him go a sentence, we are getting passport. Boom, bang. This is a video where you not even know the joy when me feel, you see me. It's a joy if you know say my father been there from day one and take care of all of we and not give up on we. Now my father inside of the house and I have no idea we're leaving tomorrow. We're going to America and first time on a plane. I'll vlog everything. On top of that, my mama Lord don't know that my father is coming. On top of that, Livy don't know my dad is coming. On top of that, my father not even know say I go to America. It's just a good look. You feel me? More catching whole experience, you see me? Because me have the best parents in the world. You understand? I know say everybody with parents think like that, so it's okay. Me just go get him a haircut. You see me, I put in some clip in between. Me just go get him a haircut. But normally me do that even if him not go with me. We pull up a barber and me will get myself shape up and we'll bring my father. It's only right, you see me. My best friend, if you know what I mean. It's pretty exciting. I'll get him reaction when we are take off. Remember, you know, guys, my father is 65 years old, you know. On top of that, I forgot to tell you, we're heading back to America the 8th of August. My father's birthday is the 9th of August. Okay? The 9th of August. And we're going to America the 8th. So I'm going to be in America for the first time on his birthday. Him deserve it. My father is a good human being. You see me? It's just gonna be a good look. I'm gonna get him reaction. This is gonna be a series. There's a bunch of stuff I really want to do. Like for instance, more make him and mommy go out on a date. More show him places. More just make him have a whole experience about America. I think he's gonna spend 2 weeks. I'm not sure how long. But it's gonna be a good look, guys. I'm gonna tell him later because we're not currently at his house. So I'm gonna go up, figure maybe drop him off. I know me I left tomorrow. I'll tell him, say, yeah, well, pack your bag. You're coming with me. You see me? It's a joyful feeling, and I just wish everybody will live overseas, will live them best life. Just remember where them I come from, in a sense where instead of over there, you know, try to live a life where you try to impress people. Most of my blessing when me get, I think, is because how me live my life. When I know I filed for my mother already, a couple of years well now. I know my father will come to America with me. No for no young youth and young females. I'm telling you something. There's nothing in the street. There's nothing in the street. Me done it. When me in the street, me get my friend pull gun upon me. Me have countless bad experience in the street. So I try to tell you now. If no for no look upon me and say, oh, one dan get a nice girl like Livy, oh, one dan do this, and oh, one dan have this and that. Half of the blessing when we get, if not most of the blessing, if not all of the blessing when we get are because the type of person me is. As a human being. You see me? You think say God now watch we and see what we do and what intentions are? You see me? Yeah, God know our intentions. So, when you stop pray to God and start fix on yourself as a human being, fix yourself as a person. You could ask God for a little more. If you don't fix yourself first, forget the blessing, you're not going to get it. A lot of people rather buy 20 bottles than to send them mother $100. I don't know if you balance it in. Me go a party, of course, me buy 2-3 bottles, but me I balance it. You see, my father inside, go upstairs asleep, not even know. Say I go a foreign tomorrow, I go a airport. My father know what none of that look like, no know how inside our plane look like. He don't know nothing about foreign, no know nothing about no big skyscraper building, only on TV. And me live for city there, yeah, say, my father forward on a plane, you see me? Legally, if you know what I mean. So guess what? It's a good look. It's gonna be a crazy, excited video. I'm gonna catch everything from him first, when he put him first foot outside in America. From when he ended up on the plane, hopefully then kind enough because me book for him ticket. For me ticket was booked before him because while I was in Jamaica, I decided for booking ticket. Big up my sister, Marsha. Yeah, me done. Marsha, me done. Sister, you see me? Big up QQ. I love you. You see me? But it's a good look. Only 2 persons know my father will come to America with me tomorrow, and it's my older sister and my younger sister. 2 persons. So all I watched the video here and why you never tell me? It's because not even him know. You feel me? Man a fly out. Catch you tomorrow. Or catch you later when we tell him. It's gonna be a movie. Thank you all, and we're gonna be more consistent. Like, share, and comment. It's just a good look. And big up yourself, babes. You know me if you tell about me why you're surprised. You see me because you were excited when you find out say boom bang, but I want to surprise you as well. So if you're mad at me, you're not gonna get mad. You're just like, oh, say why you never tell me something could ever. But that's why living me tell us if you make sure. Say, although we house always clean, babes, that's why I say, I want you give the house a deep clean. You understand? Sometimes, as female, when your man tell you to do something, and you know you have a solid man, nobody question it and go around it. It's always for a reason. So you can't tell me why, innit? Me tell you last night, and I'll tell you again when me talk to you. You understand? I don't know if you know see me good, but guess what? Just reach up on my father's house and I have no idea. So within a few hours we're gonna be at the airport, boarding a flight to Florida. I go tell him right now. So we are left out tomorrow. Remember, I don't have a clue in things, so I drop him up. He don't have a clue. So I go to America for the first time. So bear with me. 1:21 in the morning. We're going to go back and watch you with the St. Catherine right now. So stay tuned. We're going to get in reaction. See what you have to say, alright? Team One Done. One Done and Levy, O&Lfamily vlog, big up on yourself. Delvin, I have something to tell you. Yeah, come up with me tomorrow. Nah. My father. Yeah, come up with me tomorrow.
Come up with you.
With me.
I do that.
Swear to God.
Not go someone. Not for you.
Pack your bag. Pack your bag. That's why I carry you up to get your stuff. We book your ticket.
Yeah, man. I don't believe it.
We book your ticket. Hurry up. That's why I come back.
I do that.
Swear to you. You know me not joke like this. Why you think me come up here? Think about it.
Yeah, man. Sit down. Anything else I've done?
Yeah, come up. Yeah, come to America tomorrow with me. We buy your ticket. So hurry up and pack your bag, but we'll go back and watch it then. Watch it tomorrow, maybe to Florida.
Yeah, no, my God.
Yeah, man.
Me have a blow.
How you feel? How you feel?
You surprised me, man. Me not tell you that.
You ready to go foreign? Pack your bag.
Which bag?
Just pack one little bag. You don't need much stuff because I carry you go shop and go over there. So you never have no idea?
Oh, so. I say, man, down there not tell me nothing, man.
Come on, hurry up, because you don't know. How you feel?
Yeah, man, me drop down.
Hurry up, man. And guys, what me tell you now. We meet you up and never know. It's because I couldn't tell nobody because me not surprise my pops. You understand? And him surprised him all a drink there. You not left none for me?
See for you.
Okay, you see me so. Florida, here my pops come. So we pick up the two little stuff from my father right now. We need this fish and a turn. You see me? You good? Why you have so sharp?
I'm surprised me. They don't get ready for that. Me dead. No, what's my neck,
Bonded.
I dropped down to the hospital and like on a bed.
I leave in a few. You understand? Stay tuned. Airport in a few. How you feel?
Feel the dry foot.
You want to tell people since what day you get your birth certificate?
Yeah.
What you have to tell people, say?
I don't even know if it's a
You excited?
Mm-hmm.
You never know say a day like this will come.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
No, sir.
So you ready for fly?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, look over.
Fly up like a dove.
Happy birthday, Dana. Outside. Outside.
That's show me a thing now.
One Delvin.
Show me a thing now. Just job up.